You're so cute. Yes, you are. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Are you sleeping on my bed? You can tell it's my bed. Haven't really had much time this morning because it's been so like mega rushed. We are going away just for the weekend, but even if we're just going for the weekend, I feel like we've overpacked massively. I just had to quickly nip out because I need to buy some extra memory cards, but trust me to leave it till last minute to find some memory cards. So we are going away for the weekend. We are just going to Blackpool. We are going there mainly for the Airshow that will be going on there. We don't normally stay the weekend, but we just thought because when we go it's normally rammed and we can't find a place to park, so we are just going to make it easier on ourselves by staying the weekend. Also, we won't be doing both days. We'll probably just watch the Airshow on one day and then spend the other day doing something different. As I said, we just finished packing and we literally leave in about an hour. So yeah, talk about last minute packing. Playing Disney songs. Okay, guys, rental. Let me in.
Never in
Thank you.
This is our room,
This
guys.
is the room. We got a triple room, so we've got one big double bed. And over here
It's my bedroom.
is Olivia's bedroom.
I set that up the second we got here.
Ta-da! Cute little dresser.
Here is my wardrobe because all my stuff's in there.
She basically just took all the hangers.
Well, you guys said I should.
We've got a cute little dresser here.
And here is our small bathroom. I'm closing those because if we close them
Okay.
at night.
And then we've got like a
Oh, I'm
shower.
scared. Let's get a picture.
Oh.
Right, we go close.
And we don't really got a good view from the window. Just a brick wall.
Is this her?
Oh, and a pigeon. Ta-da! There's a pigeon. And then we've got
Why is it still
the
doing
dresser.
that? That's gonna annoy me. We have to walk in the hall of embarrassment.
So basically, to get to our room, which is up 3 flights of stairs,
By the way,
we have to walk through the entertainment bit,
which is
so it's so
it's full of old people.
awkward
It's full of old people. I just saw the lady going. Ah.
because they're doing the can-can.
So embarrassing.
So we just, yeah. I'll try and film it for you guys, but it's kind of like awkward.
Yeah, like they just stare at you. It's like you can even hear it. Oh, I hate this so much.
So we've already had breakfast. I didn't bring you along because my camera was in charge. Also, we were new to the breakfast system, so we didn't know what we were doing, so we just had toast. Anyway, we're ordering waffles tomorrow, so I'll bring you along then. It's a very confusing layout. We went to the wrong breakfast room to begin with.
I don't even know why they have breakfast rooms. She was just
I know, she just had one big room for everyone. But yeah, today is the day of the air show.
Me off with the door.
Sorry. Today is the day of the air show. The weather's pretty cloudy. Hopefully it'll clear up. Yeah, let's go. So in Blackpool we have the illuminations. They haven't changed them for a while. They mainly just keep them the same. But this one going up here is the new illumination. And that one up there is.
The bulbs you can see on.
Yeah. So this one is due to go up. A little behind the scenes of the illuminations. There's some new ones. More red arrow there.
Royal Airport, Her Majesty, it's up with... I've got the team arriving in our world famous Diamond 9 and our trademark red, white and blue outside. Monty is a former Typhoon pilot and a former qualified flying skipper on the Tucano, where he was the Tucano display pilot in 2012. On flight of Red 1 is Red 2, suddenly they Chris McCann. Chris is an experienced here and the team when uniquely he was taking strong presence and straight into an instructor role on the Tucano. And coming in from the top right hand side, you might just see Red 8 as he smokes and spears the heart. Red 8 is flight attendant Chris Walker, former Harrier pilot, former Typhoon pilot and instructor of the Hawk 212. That's right, let's give Red 678 a massive round of applause for wonderful heart in the skies of Blackpool. And I put the ball, Royal Airport, Her Majesty, it's the Red...
This is just one of the reasons why I love Blackpool. The view is just beautiful.